What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we got a 1978 F-150. This one has a high-tech motor in it. This is the big block. I can show you the VIN number that's stamped on the bottom part of the block here. I'll go ahead and try to include that in my videos. I'll just slide that picture in this video here. What we're going to do in here is take this down the road for a test drive, point out any kind of flaws that we can find. Should be a fun test drive. We do this with every car on the lot, car and truck. You can check us out at maplemotors.com. We have finance and shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. And if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. We post videos like this every day. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, before we take off, go look around the interior. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? This truck is also a 4-speed, pretty clean interior. We'll be checking out some stuff in here and see what works and what doesn't. Get her started up here. Our fuel gauge is coming up. Looks like we're on full there. Showing the mileage to you. We'll check the speedo as we ride down the road, make sure it works correctly. The temperature gauge there is not working. This one is an aftermarket. It is showing right at 190. And the oil pressure is right at 30. All right, let's try our wipers. They do work. Radio, cutting on, working. And blower motor is cutting on, yes, and it's working. What about the horn? No horn on this bad boy. All right, guys, let's take it down the road. Okay, guys, getting ready to take off down the road. I am looking for my seatbelt now. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, come on back through. There we go. Go ahead and put that on. We do have an electric fan switch right here under the dash. Don't ever forget to cut that on. Otherwise, you'll notice the truck starts to overheat. And our engine temp is at 175 right now. That's not too bad. All right, on a cold start, this one is a little bit tough. Got to get her warmed up and ready to go down the road. We will go ahead and put her in low here. See how it is. The clutch is letting out. It's halfway to the top, right there in the middle. See how she drives. Anything I see, I will point out. Speedometer is coming up. It is working pretty good. Seems accurate. Truck itself is going straight down the road. And it's nice and tight, really. I mean, for these oversized tires. Got a little bit of a strip coming out of the window there. Have to be replaced. Looks like they just cut it a little bit too short. And the suspension is surprisingly smooth. Not as bumpy as I thought it was going to be. Checking out our turn signals. They're popping up on both sides of the dash there. gonna pull off in this parking lot right here, check everything else out, and give you some undercarriage shots. The brakes on this thing are stopping fast. We're gonna pull in this parking lot here, go ahead and get some videos of the outside of this truck. Look below in my description, you can see all the stuff that I use to make these videos. All right, we're here to the parking lot. Let's try our emergency brake, see if it works. It does, it's holding the truck still. Good deal. Now we're gonna take off down the road. I'm gonna point out any more flaws that I see. So far, so good. Engine temperature's at 180 down here. Oil pressure's at 30. I think this thing checked out pretty good, other than the cosmetic flaws that are in the walk around video that I have made for you on here. I want you to check that out so you know everything about this truck before you head down this way. All right, let's get out. So far so good. Speedometer is working, all of our gauges are working. I'm not 100% sure on that fuel gauge because it's maxed all the way out. Could be 100% full and it could be broke. I have no way of checking that unless I run the gas out of this thing. It's going straight down the road and having no issues there, and as soon as I turn, it turns. It's nice and tight. We're coming up on the speed bump in the middle of the road. It is a lifted truck, so it's going to be a little bit bumpier than your average stock height. But it's not too bad. They put some good springs on here, and they got it feeling pretty good. It's right, so. Coming up on that speed bump, I'll point it out. Here we go. It is right here. Not too bad. All right, guys. Y'all want a sneak peek at what the lot looks like? I gotta put the car somewhere else, but I can show you. It looks pretty cool. I was excited when I came into work today and seen it all done. We just gotta wait a couple days to put our cars back on the lot. I figured that light would have changed by now. I'll tell you what we'll do. We're gonna park right here where we stuck all our cars, or half of them, and I'll walk right over the hill and check it out. Let's go look at this. I can't wait to put our cars back on it. What y'all think? I think they did good. It's gonna be sweet. Still gotta do that parking lot over there. They got half of it done so far. We also did the very back. All right, guys, heading back over here to the truck. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. We post videos like this every day. The typical car that we sell is right here in this parking lot. That's half of our car lot. And tomorrow, I believe we're putting them all back. That way we can check out the new pavement with all the new cars on it. And like I said, January 4th is going to be our update day. We're gonna have it and everything else ready for the website for y'all. So go ahead and check out maplemotors.com. It's close to 100 detailed pictures on this truck and every car at the lot. I got plenty more test drives to do today. Very busy day. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.